Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Garlic barely smells when it's whole, but the moment you cut it, the aroma explodes. How can that be? Today we're breaking down the chemistry of garlic's punch, how an enzyme reaction creates its signature smell, and why chopping, crushing, or mincing makes it dramatically stronger. A garlic clove is mild and almost odorless, but once you slice into it, the smell becomes sharp, spicy, and unmistakable. The more you break it down, slicing, mincing, crushing, the more intense the aroma becomes. This is due to a chemical reaction that only happens when the clove is damaged. Inside the garlic, two key components are kept separate: allicin, a sulfur-based molecule, and alliinase, an enzyme. When you chop or crush garlic, those compartments rupture. The enzyme and the molecule finally meet, and they react instantly. Alliinase converts allicin into allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's powerful smell and flavor. The more you physically break down the garlic, the more allicin forms. That's why crushed garlic is the strongest, minced garlic is next, and sliced garlic is the mildest. Letting chopped garlic rest for about 10 minutes before cooking boosts allicin formation, giving you stronger flavor and more of garlic's beneficial compounds. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.